So in this video, I'll quickly show you how to get to Brizy, how to log in, and how to access your website. So in this case, you have two options. One, you might be on Google and you might be Googling Brizy. Now, it's important to know that Brizy itself is both a no-code website builder and there's also a version for WordPress. So in our case, if you did the version, sorry, we built it for the cloud for you because obviously WordPress is not always fun. You're going to look for something called Brizy Cloud. Now, there's two ways to get to it. One, you click here from Google, or if you just want to directly go straight to it and cut out Google, you go to brizy.cloud and hit enter. It redirects to something called brizy.io/cloud. Not a big deal. We're still in the right place. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on login. So obviously, at this point, you should have your password and email and stuff like that ready to go. If this is your first time doing this, you have to make an account before you can actually see your website. So if you're at the point where you're just barely getting to the invitation and barely clicking on it, you will also be brought to this page here where you have to actually create the account, right? Where you do sign up for free, and then you sign up for the account, and then you create your account, and then you'll be taken to the next step. Well, let's say in this case, I am already have an account. So what I'm trying to do is get in. I'm going to select the email that I use to make the account, or I used to um, for the invitation. And the next step is actually here to go to Brizy Cloud, right? This button will take you to the cloud. If you had the WordPress plugin ready, you'd actually be down here. But in this case, let's go to Brizy Cloud. And now we're brought in to see all the websites, right? And obviously, in your case, you might have maybe just one website, maybe two, right? We have other ones you might be working on here. But anyways, now that you've been able to log in, you can click here to see all the members that have access to your website. And you're also able to click on edit project, which will bring you to edit the project. So in our case, we hit edit project, and now you're brought into your website, right, where you can edit it. Now, this video is not a video for editing. We may have other videos out there right now where you can actually click on and see how you edit your website, but that should cover how to log in and get to your website.